Listen close. No, closer. Because reality is about to peel open like the rind of a neon fruit. The vase doesn't wake up. It erupts. It comes online like the universe just rebooted and realized the root password is Tulip. The moment it flares to life, you can feel the zoom, not a camera zoom, but the whole cosmos leaning in like, oh, that's where the source code went. The ceramic skin stops acting like clay. It turns into breathing porcelain plasma, rolling, folding, shimmering like an ocean made entirely of slow motion lightning. Kintsugi cracks ignite, but they're not cracks, man. The golden fault lines in reality mapping out galaxies, pulsars, star nurseries, flickering inside the glaze like the face swallowed a telescope and got drunk on stardust. And the tablecloth, forget fabric, it starts vibrating, full on vibrating, threads elongating into moonlight wires, sunbeam filaments, a woven surface of cosmic ripples that flicker like the table is dreaming in real time. Every ripple glows with iridescent halos that look like someone spilled liquid halos from a higher dimension. Then the tulips, oh man, the tulips break the simulation. They don't bloom, they detonate in slow motion, enlightening. Every petal unfurls like a silk wave riding a prism tsunami. The colors mutate into hues that don't even belong in this universe. Ultraviolet mango tastes like electric childhood. Neon champagne that tingles behind your eyes. Pastel fire that burns with cold heat. Radioactive coral that leaves glowing footprints on your thoughts. Electric buttercream that vibrates like purring geometry. Then the colors get bored of being colors and evolve into synesthetic life forms. Hues you can hear, tones you can taste, textures you can remember even if you've never lived them. They crawl, they swim, they stretch their chromatic limbs across the petals like tiny psychedelic spirits doing yoga in eternity. The stems start rewriting mathematics. They twist into spiraling emerald equations, living formulas, splitting, multiplying, recombining like fractal DNA doing choreography. Microscopic clips appear, tiny glowing alphabet soup from another galaxy, reshuffling themselves with every blink like they're whispering cosmological secrets straight at your frontal lobe. And then the leaves, brother, the leaves grow wings, not metaphorical, actual translucent emerald wings like dragonflies made of light, vibrating so fast they leave green aurora trails that curl upward into little neon tornadoes. Then the laughter begins, not human laughter, flower laughter, crystalline giggles like drops of morning dew, tapping on spider silk in another universe's first dawn. You feel it on your skin and your ribs and your teeth. The tulips laughing softly to the rhythm of creation's heartbeat. The air ripples, reality clarifies, patterns explode, spinning mandalas, birthing mandalas, fern spirals unraveling into infinity. Ribbons of neon wind entering Mobius loops and dissolving into pure holy color. The vase joins the uprising, the inside glows with opal fire, then brighter, until it becomes a milk-white supernova, edges melting into halos of molten pearl. The water gone, replaced with liquid starlights, galaxies drifting like jellyfish, tiny like koi, swimming orbital laps around the stems. Particles start rising, not falling, rising, glowing pollen storms, digital snowflakes, cotton candy photons drifting upward like gravity is only a rumor. Every mote contains a world, glowing moss forests, silver rivers, sky whales floating over crystal mountains, shaped like tulips dreaming of gods. Then the bouquet levels up again. Tulips inside tulips inside tulips, recursive bloom fractals like each flower is giving birth to an entire infinite staircase of itself. Petals shed starlights and swirling dust storms that sketch temporary galaxies in the air. Constellations shaped like flowers, comets shaped like leaves, whole universes fold in and out of existence. distance, just a